Hey everyone. Okay, so I got my legit kits order in. This is the next project I'm going to do. If you looked at my Instagram, you will have seen that I made the elephant with violet craft. You guys, that was phenomenal. It was so much fun. I am loving FPP, which is foundation paper piecing. Oh, I can't get enough of it. So this I ordered straight from Legit Kits. So I told my husband, I said, oh, and they have stuff in here. So this is from, oh, okay, so let's see. They give you, oh, a sticker. That's a sticker. I love stickers. If you don't watch my channel, I love stickers. I really love this one too. But this is also a pattern. But it's a postcard also, kind of. I mean, or just a picture. And oh, big deal. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Can you guys see that? Oh my god, it's a jar full of pickles. That is so cute. And it has garlic. Coming summer of 2025. Oh my gosh. And so this is everything. This is a booklet, oh, of what they have. Now my goal is to sell some things that I have here, and try and get 400 bucks. I need $400 because my husband is a firefighter, and if you don't know, he had a stroke last year, and so he's going to be medically retired. And he absolutely loved this pattern and this quilt. And I want to buy the whole, because I love every color. I love everything about this, and so did he. So I want to buy the whole kit and caboodle. And to do that, it's like 400 bucks. So I have to raise that in order to get it. So I'm hoping by the end of the year I'll have enough money to buy that. So he was like in love with it. He goes, that's pretty cool. And I said, you know what, I can do that. And then I have, I'll show you that right now. Oh, but see that? So I have, because I bought when I came back into quilting 3 years ago. And the first year, my mom and I, we went to Road to California. You can see all the videos. I have a playlist, and we went to Road to California. And I had bought Toasty the dragon. But silly me was like, I didn't want to spend $400 on the whole kit and caboodle. I was like, no, I can do my own colors. I didn't even know how to foundation paper piece, honestly. I just was so like intrigued by it, and I really wanted to do it. So I just bought the pattern, and then I get it home and I'm like, oh my god, what are all these numbers? I'll show you what I mean. And this is going to be a whole video about this, so it might be a little bit of time. So I thought, oh, you know what? Oh, I didn't realize that the Christmas pixel kit was them. Oh, I didn't realize that. And so I thought, okay, well, I'll pick my own colors. Oh my gosh, you guys, I opened up that pattern and I was like completely, oh no, I can't do this. So then I put it away. Well, 3 years later, I started my hand at the FPP, which is foundation paper piecing, and I am in love with it. And I can't get enough. And so I just finished a little cute, the Shabby Fabrics. If you watch the Shabby Fabrics haul, you'll have seen for Mother's Day, I bought myself my own Mother's Day gifts. And so, hey, my kids are not druggies, they're not alcoholics, and they're good members of society. So I did well. They may not like me, but I did well. So I bought myself my own gifts, and the Shabby Fabrics had a Mother's Day sale, and I think it was like 25% off all their patterns. I think it was either 20 or 25, and I bought a lot of them, and I just did one of them this weekend, and it's a weekend project. It's so cute. I will be putting that on my Instagram also, probably by the end of the day. Well, I don't know when I'll upload this video, but today's Sunday, so it'll either be up tonight or Monday. But anyways, now that I reopened this after doing the elephant, and I told Tim, I go, you know what? I know what I'm doing. I understand this. And I said, oh my gosh. And so I told him, I said, I want to do the dragon. I'm going to change him completely. The only thing I'm going to take from their color code, and I'll show you what I mean about their color code, but I'm going to take everything from them for the fire. The fire is beautiful. So, but everything else, I'm changing the background and the color of the dragon. I don't want to tell you what color I chose. So not until I'm ready. But or until I'm done, and then I can show you. That's so cute. The big, I love pickles. I love pickle juice. Pickle juice and me, oh yeah, we love each other. Okay, so, but, okay, so in the meantime, if you didn't watch any of my other videos, that's going to take a while, the Toasty Dragon, for me to pick colors. In order for me to gather up everything, it's going to take me a while. But I wanted to try my hand at making legit kits in the meantime, to get my hand, you know, get my feet wet with them. So I had my eye on this one too, because I'm a coffee lover. I am completely a coffee lover, and dragons. I have, you know, I don't have a coffee tattoo actually. I have a dragon. I have multiple dragons on me, but no coffee. I wonder why. And maybe because it's silly. But maybe I should do coffee in a sewing machine as a tattoo next. I don't have any more room left, honestly, but we'll see. Anyways, I had my eye on this when we went to Road to California that year, and I wanted the dragon and I wanted the coffee, my two favorite things, right? But then I was like, well, let me get the dragon, and I did. Then I was like, wow, okay. So then when I reintroduced myself to the Toasty Dragon, I was like, okay, I can do this. I want to start again. Let me get a simpler one. A simpler one. And so I got this one. But let me show you. When you go to the quilt shows that they're at, that Legit Kits is at, it's awesome because they give you free magnets. And so this is a magnet, you guys. So this will probably go in my PL when I, either in my PL or somewhere, when I finish it. So I had decided, I told, because you know, my husband, he's fine. And so I talked to him. And, oh, look how cute. So you can do a QR code. Oh, and you get another sticker. Awesome. I love it. Okay, so let me talk you through this, okay? So I told my husband, I go, okay, I want to keep the colors of the coffee, but I want to change everything else. And I said, I feel I can do that now. But then after talking to him last night, I was like, I think I love everything, but I think I'm going to change just the background. So I haven't decided yet, but I'm going to change the background completely. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep these colors. So we'll find out when when I start doing it. So look at how cool. So this is that way you have a front and center picture right here of what you need to do. And then I can't show you too much, I don't think, but let me, so these, yeah, because you can't really do anything without the paper. So let me show you. So this is what I mean. So Toasty Dragon, this is the color code, and they put all the colors here of what is in this pattern. Okay, so that is pretty cool. I'll show you just one of them. And so you have 3 pages of color code. Okay, so cool. Then they give you the fabric list by the code, and then they show you how many squares you need and all that stuff. You know, yardage. So they tell you how much yardage you need. Okay, so that's cool. Then they have a little assembly guide here, and when you first, I'm going to show you the paper. Because, I mean, when you look at this and you look at Toasty Dragon, you're like, oh my gosh, I can't do this. I mean, you're really, your confidence is a little bit, you know, like, way shaky. It's a little shaky. But after doing the Violet Craft one, oh yeah, I'm good. So I looked at this and I go, oh, I know what to do. I know what to do. This was throwing me. These were throwing me when I first got the patterns, you know, one. And I was like, I don't get it. I don't get it. And so I put it aside. Now I do. So I can do this. I am so excited, you guys. This is like so unbelievably fun. It is so fun. But this is your guide. So it looks a little intimidating because it has, you know, your cutting guides and all that stuff. But it's actually really simple. I will tell you right now to use Shabby Fabrics. She has the best tutorials for paper piecing, like step by step by step. Go to Shabby Fabrics YouTube channel put up foundation paper piecing, put in your search bar, and you will be amazed at how easy this is and how much fun it is. So it is, yeah, it's great. So it looks a little intimidating though, I will tell you that, because you have to really pay attention. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is B2J, B2B. So you're basically, you put B2B, well, we need A. Let's see, where's A at? It might be on another page. It might be, oh yeah, it starts with, here's B1. So then you go B1, B1, and then these are B2s. And then you go by B2, B, and then you do C. So you connect your C's. There's D, there's I. I don't have my glasses on, you guys. So there might, so not all of them are in correct order. So you might have like G over here, but then you might have H over here. Okay, so yeah, so you have E, yes, C. So you basically, your A, your B, B2B, and your C, you know, and it has a guide. So this one probably connects to there. I don't know yet. You have to pay attention to the guide. And all the directions show you, this is what this little guide is for. So when you look at this and you go, so let's see, you have B1 right here. So here is your guide, B1. And then here is B2, and then C, it shows you your guide. Here's C, C, so A, and then where's B? B right here. So then you have A is the whole piece, then you have B, so then it's going to tell you. So B to H to I, and then G to HI. So it walks you through the whole thing. I know it's very, very confusing, but honestly, just watch Shabby Fabrics, or even Kimberly Jolly, Fat Quarter Shop. She also has good ones, but I recommend Shabby Fabrics. It looks really confusing, guys, but once you do it, once you have a few under your belt, and I really, really recommend you don't do Shabby Fabrics right off the bat, because they're small pieces. They're really small. I just did them this weekend, but they're really small. I totally recommend, even though it's a big quilt, but she has smaller ones, do Violet Craft. Do a Violet Craft one, because she has big pieces, and it's the way she has it written, it's beautiful. It is beautiful, and that her patterns are why I have confidence now that I can do this. So I recommend doing her. I mean, the elephant or the wolf, or, you know, honestly, if I can do it, honestly, if I can do it, anyone can do this. It is really quite fun. Quite fun. It's very zen for me. I am in love with it. So this is what you sew on. This paper right here is what you're going to sew on. I cannot wait to start this one, you guys. And it's actually very small. And some of these have big pieces, some have little pieces. And then, oh, look, this is what they also have. So they also tell you, like, they also have another, all of this is in this. So it's pretty cool. But what I loved most is that they tell you to put them in sections of 4. So you do 4. So you sew together your 4 pieces instead, and then make it like 16, and then 16, and then put it together. I don't think I'm showing you anything that's I mean, you need the pattern, so the actual paper. But I love the fact that they walked you through this whole thing. Walked you through? Yeah, that sounds right? So I love that. Love that. And the giraffe is so cute. I might have to do the giraffe. So, okay. Anyways, this is my next project, and I am so looking forward to picking the colors. I'm so looking forward to doing this one. And so I'm going to start this one this week. I'm going to, because I really am excited. This is cool. Free magnets, free stickers. Love that. Postcard, if you want it as a postcard, or, and I love this. Don't panic. Like, they'll tell you how to do it too. But it's honestly very easy and very much fun. It's so fun. All right, guys, what do you think? Have you done FPP, foundation paper piecing? Are you going to give it a try? Let me know. So if I can do it, anyone can do it. I promise, I promise, I promise. So, because I am not that great of a person to learn new things on my own. And I did the violet craft. I just started doing it, and I watch Shabby Fabrics videos galore. So, all right, guys, take care. I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. Bye.